If it wants to run, you run. Now try while you can. Reel up. There you go. Give him one. There you go. Take your time with it. Let him run if he's running. Okay, how's your drag, by the way?
It's real light right now.
Okay, good. Don't keep your hand on it if he starts running. I've broken off so many fish by holding onto the handle. Yep, just let him go. Let him go. There's like nowhere good for him to snag up in. We're in a good spot.
Oh my God, dude, it's gorgeous. Your fly, or your dark orange pink fly.
Let him run. How you feeling?
Forearm's getting sore, but
That's good.
that's the good feeling.
Right. As soon as he wants that line, you give it to him.
It's coming.
All right, head up. There it is, man. That's a tank.
Yeah, it's a stud.
Congrats, man. Congrats.
Hell yeah.
That net. Wait, let me set this camera up.
Oh, there we go. We're loose. Oh. Oh my Lord.
How you feel? That's sick.
It's 2 years now. It's 2 years of chasing this baby. First one on the fly. First real good fish on the fly.
That's a shiny one too. As soon as I saw it roll, I was like,
she's nice and fresh.
yeah.
I wonder if she's got any eggs in her.
I'm gonna snap some pictures for you, but dude, sick.
Oh, yeah, buddy. You're gonna have to send these to me ASAP.
Yeah. She's about 24, 25.
24 and a quarter.
Nice.
Baby girl. Thank you.
Slide her right in the water.
See you get some.
Dude, that's a beautiful
Wow,
fish.
God, she's so gorgeous.
That's awesome. Yes.
Let's go, buddy.
Yes.
Let's do it again.
That's it, man.
Let's go again.
And it ate the pink one?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh wait, are those both my flies?
Yeah, they're both your
Oh, okay, cool. Either way. Sick.
Yeah, so it was 100% yours.
Oh, that's cool. It's only the second time that's ever happened. I'm pumped for you, buddy. That's all we came out to do. We got the one we needed.